Here's our lovely ring lady. Has to be the same height as the fighters and the ref so she can see the action and so that they can see what round it is at her level. And there we go. We are off, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you're excited at home. The crowd surely is excited right here inside the arena. Thabo coming out strong, throwing in those punches. Sibali on his back foot, but also very quick on his feet. Sibali is jumping and running around, hard to catch. Thabo is throwing those punches hard, and Sibali is also holding his own. It is very heated up in here. There's so much action, better than what I thought it was going to be. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Thabo going in hard on Sibali. Sibali also holding his own.